Alright y'all, I'm about to have me a quick morning fix. The Syma X20 Tenergy version from the deck top. Don't feel like going down to the bottom, so I'm going to be careful not to crash it this time. So let's get it. It has altitude hold, unfortunately, but we're going to try to deal with it. A little windy out here. Hopefully we can manage. Not a lot of pitch on this guy. Oh. Whoa. And this thing is just cruising along. I couldn't stop it from being blown by the breeze just now. And we went between the trees. That was epic. Oh, let's try not to do it again. Sheesh. Wind is relentless on this guy. Uh-oh. Wind tried to take it up. I was at no throttle, zero throttle, and it was still going up. Got to be careful with these altitude hold things when you're flying in the wind. If you leave too much throttle, then the wind blows it up and you'll lose it. I am flying with deviation though, so really long range with it. And you also have to be careful when you're holding down for too long. It'll just cut off. That'll stop the motors. We're over here now. Oh no! Wind tried to blow me to the trees. Let's get back over here. Sheesh. Uh-oh, I can't see it now. The sun is in my eyes. Oh, we hit that. Oh. I think we're in some water. And back. Oh man, it's wet now. Maybe I should quit while I'm ahead, huh? Got to look at this guy. I think we can do flips. Let's try flips. Oh, that put it in headless mode. Let's bring it back. Maybe I have this set up with the flip switch. Yep. It's on my right. That's for the people who be wanting to see flips. Try to do a side flip here. Well, there we go. Oh no. Gotta come back slow because you can't put on the brakes. It's hard to put on the brakes with this thing with not enough pitch. This is why companies need to give us a lot of pitch, because when you're moving fast, you need a lot of pitch to put on the brakes. The air brakes, I call them. Oh no. Alright, let's bring this guy in. Sheesh. The Syma X20 from Tenergy on Amazon. Thanks for watching.